Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. In today's video, I will guide you through the process of setting up recurring payments using Stripe billing. Whether you're running on a subscription service or simply want to automate regular payments, Stripe makes it easy to manage. Now start by logging into your Stripe account on the Stripe dashboard. If you don't have an account yet you will need to sign up and complete the necessary verification steps. So to set up recurring payments, you first need to create a product in Stripe. Go to the Products tab and click Add Product. Enter the product name, description, and pricing details, including the billing interval. After creating the product, set up the pricing plan. You can create multiple plans for different billing intervals or tiers. Make sure to specify whether the plan is recurring and choose the appropriate billing cycle. Next, you will need to generate a checkout link for your customers. Go to the payment links section and create a new link for your recurring product. Share this link with your customers and they can use it to set up their recurring payments. So once customers start subscribing, you can monitor and manage their payments through the Stripe dashboard. You can see who has subscribed, handle any payment issues, and update pricing or billing intervals as needed. And that's how you set up recurring payments with Stripe billing. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.